Hello, I hope you are doing great. A quick video about what you will definitely need to use to enjoy your trading life and how simple you can enjoy it. The aim here is really to help you to take the right decisions and not look for some subjective things, if I may say, and to really base your trading on facts, which will definitely help you to do better. So these are real informations. Do not hesitate to let me know what you think about it. So let's go. As usual, I will talk on about the GPY basket. GPY basket is the mix of every GPY pairs trade and only in extracting the GPY informations. It's available on FXCM, the best broker on the earth, and I definitely advise you to have a look at it if you trade GPYs. So on the left, what you can see is GPY's basket, as said, and what you see on the right is a GBP GPY that I will use as example. So GBP GPY, let's go. Okay, so what you can see here is, okay, let me remove the expert assistant. Let's go. What you see in yellow, it's the indicator called max volume price. Here, this one, max volume point. It's an indicator which shows you which are the maximum price on a specific period. It can be from 1 minute to 1 week. So you can see the maximum transactions that are happening during the range that you will use. What you see here in red is the maximum volume price of the last 2 weeks, if I may say. Focus on the red line. When the market went down, then on this volume here, you can see that the market came up from this volume, then went down, bouncing the zone, bouncing the zone, bouncing the zone again, went down, remain in the zone here, went down, and then the market since today, GPY market though, went up. So what would be the best way to act according to that is to wait to see how the market would react around this level here. And in keeping in mind that you also have to see what are today's real informations, where are the best, the maximum transactions today. So as you can see, the market went to this maximum volume here, then went down and bounced on the maximum volume of the day, which is why at this very point you could take the decision to go in favor of GPY or to go against it. It was really simple. So it's not something very hard to understand. It's really simple to look at it this way. So I've placed those lines here from 1 p.m. to uh, 2 p.m. And I did the same on GBP GPY so that you can see. Here is the same thing. The maximum volume price here was at 182, sorry, GPY. GBP, sorry, against GPY. And what you can see here are the maximum volume prices, but at 5 minutes. So on the other chart, it was at 1 day. Now it's for 5 minutes. And these are the real support and resistance that you can use. Now, as you can see, it's 5 minutes here, but you will take in consideration all the lines which are in the same zone and which are longer than 5 minutes only. So there is this one here because the maximum volume price remained at least 10 minutes here. Then here also in this zone, then here in this zone too, and then here in this zone too. As you can see, when there is a maximum volume price, you can see that the um, candles reacts a certain way. For example, here can see that the strength of these candles here is only in touching those maximum volume prices. It was the same here, then the strength here, and so on. So these are really a simple way to look at what are the real support and resistance that the market gave you. It's not something that you will see with your eyes, but it's really what the market gives you so that you can definitely have a look to where the market will probably bounce or where it will go. So as you can see, I placed them based on them, and you can see that the market bounced on it, went down, or bounced here to go up and went down, then broke this level, then bounced, then broke this level, then bounced, then broke this level, bounce, and so on. So these are the real support and resistance that you will need. Also, what you can see here is the trade that my trading robot took. It's a trading robot that I've set to by day, and for today, as the GBP was going negative, I only wanted to know what were the best price to open a trade. So if you can see at the previous video, I talked about alpha levels, and this is the alpha levels to take a trade here. So it was the alpha levels. So I took this trade here, and then the best take profit that I took was around yes, this price here. So it's only to show you that when you have in correlation with GPY an information about where is it the best way to take a decision, you only have to look at the market in the simplest way, in taking all informations based on the maximum volume price of the day, of the week, or any maximum volume price that you by which you can have informations of what the market did, and then you take your decision based on that. And it's not fancy levels or else, it's not fancy strategy, it's only all about following the market. But really something really simple. And if you keep your eyes on it, I can assure you that you can definitely upgrade your trading in such a tremendous way. If you are interested in having my trading robots or having more informations, don't hesitate to let me know, and we keep in touch. Ciao, ciao.